The INFINITI Dashcam recorder saves photos and videos of the front and rear of the vehicle. It is also capable of sound and video recording inside the vehicle. When the vehicle is stationary, the recordings can be viewed on the center display or your smartphone. Touch here on the launch bar, and then touch Dashcam to display the driving recorder screen. Touch here to manually record. The recording time will start 10 seconds before touching the record icon and will continue for 25 seconds after. The recording function will trigger automatically if the vehicle senses an impact. Touch here to save the image shown on the main camera screen as a still image, and touch here to view or delete recorded files. Touch here to switch between the inside and outside cameras. To adjust the driving recorder settings, touch the Settings key. Then, select the item you wish to adjust. The SD card slot is located here, under the front center console. Apps for the system can be downloaded from Google Play or the App Store. See your owner's manual for Wi-Fi and password information. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.